So today we're gonna work with filters. So ideally, what I want you guys to do is submit 4 different images with different filters applied. But before, let's see what is filter. So filter is very important aspect of photoshopping, because all this manipulation, like beautiful images, some fantastic images, they combine animal head with some vegetables, they combine it and form a different images. Those are all done with the use of filters. So filter is like a layer of it's a layer which lay on top of an image. Let's say you have a colorful image. If you would put a layer which would be black and white, your image would look black and white, right? So that's a typical use of filters. Example. This is the image of a nature which I download. You guys do so. You can be different. This is what I chose. Now, you guys have an option on the menu called filter. So if you guys go to filter, you're going to see a lot of different filters. They are categorized. For example, Fourier has like several, or we can have stylized, or we can others, which did not fit in here. So there's really many. Each of them has its own purpose. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you which one you want to use. Just you're gonna go and research, look up, check different filters, see what we have over there, because there's too many to go one by one. What I want to do here is I want to let's say apply pixelate. So pixelate, let's say mosaic, right? So if you add mosaic, you know what mosaic is? The image is broken to small pieces, right? That's what mosaic is. So if you click on mosaic, this is what happens to your image. Seems like it's taking. Is it mosaic? Let me undo this. All right, Control Z. So one step undo. Okay. So I click on background, go to filters, and let me apply another one. I'm not sure if it works due to internet, maybe, I don't know. So let's say fragment. Okay, you see, image changed. It made it fragments. I mean, it doesn't look like, oh, it looks like it's changed. It's like became a bit blurry. So that's what that kind of filter does. You can Control Z to undo it and keep checking other filters. For instance, let's try blur. So we want to make it Gaussian blur is a very popular one. A lot of designers use this. So if you were to use this, you see it adds some like a good amount of blurriness. Okay, you can change the radius, make it much blurry, or you can make it back, make it 0, and then it's absolutely very small amount of blur. So if you would play with this, it would add some blurriness to it. So where would I use it? Let's say you have an image, right? You just want to make some part of it blurry. Okay, so you would highlight the portion that you want to keep, you save it as it is, and then the background will be blurry. So those kind of effects, or emphasize a part of image. For example, there are 2 guys are standing, and then you want to emphasize those 2 guys instead of the background, you would blur the background. These kind of examples are the simple use of filters. So you want to cancel it, reset, and then go back. What else we have? We have, for example, 3D. Let me see. There is one interesting one. I'm not sure if it has it. It's called fish eye. Yeah, I cannot also. But for example, we can use Lookify. So for Lookify, you are able to use this brush, and then you see you kind of making it like it's a painting. You drop some water, and then you mix up the colors. That's called Lookify. Okay. All right. I mean, if you know what to do, if you're an artist, you know which part you can Lookify and then make it look better, beautiful. Unfortunately, I'm not an artist. I only use how to use the tools, but the skills are beyond my ability. Now, this brush is big. You can resize it. Maybe you could Lookify some parts of it. For example, this portion, like this. And it won't make much effect because the brush is small. Okay. So what you're going to do today, you are going to submit 4 different image of the same image, but with different filters. Okay, here's one. You're going to go and apply a filter. Let's say noise, dust, and scratches. Okay, you adjust it like this. You see, it changes. All right. And then you click on OK. You save this image. You're going to export it as, let's say, JPG or PNG. You name it. Let's say nature 1. And then you just save it. Okay. Then you undo it, Control Z. Go ahead and add another filter. This time, let's say I want to use for instance, let it make pixelate. So crystallize, let's use crystallize. Yeah, it's not making much effect because it's a high quality image. Okay, undo it. Let's try another one. Let's try normal map. Not giving many any menus. Or you can also visit filter gallery, guys. On the filter gallery, we have plenty of options here as well. I'm wondering, is it limited because it's not opening it? Filter gallery. Yeah, seems like my internet is kind of slow. It's not giving the option. Can you guys please check if you are able to open filter gallery? It doesn't. Try filter gallery, see if it gives you an options. No, and it might be limited. I'll double check. So just use whatever you have for now, okay? For example, render. You can add clouds. Let's see if it works. Seems like some filters are not working, guys. It might be to the internet because filters really need a good amount of internet. Sometimes it doesn't work like this. You can sharpen it, for instance, sharpen edges. You see, it worked now, for example. It sharpened the edges of the objects. Control Z. Or let's see, emboss, wind. Let's say we see wind. It's added some wind effect like this. You can change it from right to left, stagger, and all kind of things. So it is good to use filters, okay? For example, you can use this one, export as again, and then this time you're going to save it as nature 2. That's your second image. And just keep adding 4 different images with different filters and attach all of them to Google Classroom. Is that clear, everybody? Good. That's your text for today. Now, tomorrow I'm going to give you a certain task. I'm going to give an example of an image that you need to make from what is attached to your Google Classroom. For today, let's explore the filters. Okay, with a basic task.